Oh,
Okay. The broadcast is live. It didn't work for
yeah,
2:30.
I was just about to ask that too because I didn't see a
Yeah,
live button up
it's live
there.
now.
Cool. Okay.
For what are at least two differences between the one sample T confidence interval and the one sample Z confidence interval? It's
Sample
the
one.
sigma that is the difference.
Sigma's not known as one of them.
Yeah.
And
And then
then
a T.
T samples have degrees of freedom, and Z don't.
Mm-hmm.
That was what I'd put.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm done. Sorry if
Okay.
I'm out of it and I'm not talking much.
Oh, you're fine. And then 5, when conducting a hypothesis test for a single mean with sigma unknown, what is the formula used to compute the sample test statistic? T equals x bar minus mean over S over square root of n.
Right.
Yeah.
You got it.
And then what are assumptions that need to be met to conduct a hypothesis test for a single mean when sigma is unknown?
You can have an SRS.
And an SRS.
Mm-hmm. And then x bar is normally distributed.
Yep.
Yeah.
Alrighty. And then part 2.
So you put those numbers into the Excel, well, Excel or SPSS, whichever.
Or your calculator if you're really ambitious.
Yeah, or a calculator. My mean was 46.733.
Yeah.
So yeah. And then standard deviation was 8.827.
Yeah.
Wait, 8.827?
Yep.
Okay, cool. That's what I got.
And then requirements, same thing what we just said, SRS and has to be normally distributed.
Wait, what was that? Number one is SRS or whatever you said?
Simple
Yeah.
random sample.
Oh. Okay,
So you have to have a simple random sample and then your data has to be normally distributed.
Okay, right. Sorry, I just didn't get the SRS for a second.
Oh, okay. Right. Number 2. I drew, when I first looked at this, I drew a blank at how to make the confidence interval, and we just did it on Monday. But makes sense. So you take,
Did you use the program to do it, or did you just use the formula?
I used the formula, and then I also used the Excel sheet just to check my work.
Which formula did you use? Is it the x bar plus or minus
Yeah.
t times sigma over square root of n?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the
Well,
formula for
S.
confidence interval.
Use
Well,
S, but because sigma is unknown, but you would put in the same thing because the only standard deviation that we have is calculated.
Wait, and you can figure this out on SPSS?
Yeah, you can put in the data on SPSS and then just do a
it shows you the lower and the upper.
Yeah, do the one-sided t-test.
Let me.
I didn't do it on SPSS, but you can.
One sample. Wait, what? Oh, I see. What'd you get for that?
For number 2, my interval was 41.8, and then 51.6.
Oh, okay, cool. All right.
So did you just put it into the formula?
Yeah. You can do it the formula, and then you can check your work if you put it into the Excel sheet. If you do like the one sample t-test,
Mm-hmm.
you put in your info, and then make sure your null hypothesis, which in this case doesn't really give one, so you kind of have to use the formula.
Okay. The formula used was the t equals x bar minus mean?
Yeah. Sorry,
Over
so you would
S.
put in those numbers, and then your null hypothesis would be 47.
Oh, it's not the t equals x bar minus mean one.
Which one is that?
It's the x bar plus and minus t star.
Oh, okay.
Because that's the one specifically for confidence intervals.
Yeah. Do you have the Excel pulled up right now, or no?
I have Excel pulled up. I don't have
I have SPSS pulled up.
t-test.
Yeah.
I can get that going though. Because we'll probably have to do it for
The test.
the
So
quiz.
how do you do the 99% confidence interval on SPSS?
You go. Yeah. I'm trying to remember how to do it.
Yeah, because I was just looking through it and like the lesson. I'm not really finding. Wait, a 99. Okay, so. Do you guys know how to do it on Excel?
I know how to do it on Excel. Well, on the Excel sheet that they gave us. I don't know how to make up your own Excel. If you go into the reading, it would be the quantitative. What was it called?
When you
Quantitative inference procedures.
you're using SPSS, right, Maria?
Yeah, I am.
When you you click analyze and you know you got a one sample t-test.
Yeah, let me pull that up really fast. Okay, so analyze and then compare means to one sample t-test.
Yeah, and so you get under that, and when you click the options, you can change the confidence interval.
Sample t-test. Okay.
So did you click on
and
one sample t-test?
I see, okay.
And it asks confidence interval percentage. You can change it to whatever.
To 99 in this case.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I really couldn't find that in the reading, so. Okay, so the number I got was 39.9 and 53.5.
For 99%, yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay. Oh, okay. So number 4 is just the answers to 2 and 3 then.
Yeah.
Okay.
It just wants you to make sure you know how to do it by the formula and the software.
Yeah, the software, yeah.
Okay. All
So
right.
the margin of error is going to be smaller in the 95% confidence interval. Correct?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Estimating. Oh. Okay, so your null is it equals 47, and then
Yeah.
your alternative is it doesn't equal 47.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Wait.
Use the t-score or the t-test. I don't know what you want to call it. Your
Test statistic.
Yeah, there you go. Not saying everything but the right word. So I got negative 0.117.
Oh no, I got negative 0.118.
Uh-oh.
Probably you're right.
So, which formula did you did the x equals x bar minus mu over...
T equals x bar minus mu over.
Oh, it's the t one?
There isn't an x equals x bar one. It's t equals x bar minus mu over standard deviation divided by the square root of n.
Oh. Oops. Okay.
Well, yeah, you use, yeah. So X
But
bar.
yeah, it's that formula.
So
X
for
bar
x
minus
bar
mu
you
over-
used 47, right?
No, that's the population mean.
Oh,
Where did they find the population mean?
yeah.
Where did they
That
find
was
it?
47. That's just like in that opening paragraph.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's just
it's in
given
that
in the
first
question.
part.
Well, the 47, but I'm looking at the answer sheet and they have 46.73.
That's-
So 46.733
Oh.
is your sample mean.
Oh,
And then
do
you
you have to put
minus
it
the
into
47, and that's this 47 is the population mean.
the...
Which is x bar.
No, X bar is the 46.733. X bar is the sample mean, mu is the population mean.
Okay. Oh man. Okay.
So to find the sample mean, did you put it into the two-sample t-test?
Yeah. And that
Okay.
will give you the 46.733. It's the average of those the 15 numbers.
Yeah, it's just the average of the 15 numbers
Oh,
at the
okay.
beginning. So yeah, you can put it in the formula, or you can just add them. You can just
And-
solve it however.
And n equals...
Number of samples.
Okay, so
So-
that would be 15 or whatever.
Yeah,
Yep.
because you have 15 claims.
Okay. And then where does the 0 with the 0.05, is that being divided by the square root of 15?
No, that won't be anywhere in your equation.
Oh. Then what am I dividing by the square root of 15?
Standard deviation, which,
Of the sample.
yeah.
Oh,
So
which
that's
is
your
8.82.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's 46.733 minus 47
Yeah.
over 8.82 divided by the square root of 15.
Yes.
Wow, that was really hard for me to wrap my brain around. I'm sorry, guys.
Well, that's fine.
That's
All
fine.
right, on with the next one.
So degrees of freedom is 14 because the number of people are 15 minus 1.
Yep.
Okay.
You got it.
Okay, that makes sense.
And then the t-distribution, I don't have it in Excel right now. But is it a bell-shaped curve?
I would assume so. I just did the Excel sheet, so I'm with you, Steven. I don't have it. Can you use the applet for that? No? Yeah.
Your t-distribution is equivalent to your c-score, or your z-score, I mean. So you can put
Yeah,
your
so you can
t-distribution in the z-score slot,
Oh, okay.
and it'll show
Okay.
you what it should look like.
Perfect.
Okay.
And then
And what did you guys get for the p-value?
I don't know. I think mine's wrong.
What was your p-value?
0.9077.
That's what the answer sheet says.
Yeah, the applet says 0.09 or point. Wow, I can't talk. 0.9069. So that's right. I don't know how they got the answer key says 0.909.
My answer key says 0.9077.
Oh well.
There were two
Yeah.
answer keys.
Again.
I don't know what that's all about, but
I don't know either.
It's because a lot of times they'll do a worked problems one and then a just answers one.
okay.
Yeah, I don't know, because I mean, based on if you used SPSS or if you used the probability applet, you get a slightly different answer. But
Okay.
Okay.
When's our test for this unit? Do you know?
it's in 2 weeks.
Okay. Cool.
I did the next week lessons already.
My gosh.
I did them
Too much time on your
today.
hands, bro.
No. I just get ahead in this class so I can focus on anatomy.
That's good. That's good.
But I'm going to tell you right now, it takes a lot longer than the last 7 weeks or whatever.
That sounds like fun.
I started a new job in a week and a half, so
Yeah, I didn't even do the math calculations on any of it. I don't think they asked for it. I used SPSS for everything because it was
Really?
a lot of graph stuff.
dang.
Okay.
Okay.
But the quizzes weren't bad. I got an A- and an A on the homework quizzes.
Oh,
Awesome.
good.
Okay. Probably means I'll pass them then. That's good.
And then do we reject the null?
You failed
Wow.
to reject the null.
Fail.
Not even close to rejecting the null.
So then, Maria, that's when that 0.05 comes in.
Right.
So you'd have to have a p-value less than 0.05 to reject the null.
It's if p is less than alpha, right?
Yes.
Right. But thanks for throwing that in, Grant, because I am very forgetful, so that was nice.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
I figured you had mentioned it, so you were wondering where to actually use that number.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Alright.
Alrighty. Should we just start?
Yes, let's do it, and we can all go to bed.
Next week we can do 6:30.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Cool.
Alrighty. 1 and 2 are true.
No, they're false. We didn't meet.
I got panicky for a second.
I'm dreaming right now. Okay, 3 is sigma is unknown.
Yep.
4 is dumb question.
Is sigma known? I'm gonna go with no.
Yeah.
But now I gotta find the value of t.
Yeah.
At least they give us all the other things. And I like how on the actual quizzes and tests, they give us perfect squares when we have to square root something.
Yeah, that's nice.
Mm-hmm.
That's 2. They're really gonna make me convert 3/2 to 1.5? What you guys get?
1.5. Yeah, 3/2.
Since I can't put it in as 3/2, should mark me wrong.
So I got 1.5.
Yep.
Okay. So 1.5. Cool.
Yeah, just 1.5.
Yep. Which are the following values? copy and paste them into the software you use?
So Excel.
For you guys.
Yeah.
I'm using SPSS for pretty much everything.
Yep, same here.
I'm okay with Excel, I'm slower with it.
And I used SPSS the first time I took this class. So.
For physics 105, we used Excel for everything.
Yeah, accounting, you use Excel all the time.
Are you doing accounting, Steven?
Yeah, 201.
Are you taking it online?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, duh. Okay, right.
Fun stuff.
It is. It's a challenge online, I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
The hardest online class I took was developmental psychology.
That sounds
Some
hard.
classes you just need to be in the classroom.
It was just a ton of reading since there's no lecture.
Yeah.
So did you guys get 98.2? 2?
Let me look real
Wait, no.
fast. What are we solving for? Oh, we're just solving for X-bar? What the heck am I doing?
Oh, Grant.
Yeah, I'm here. My Excel decided to freeze, so I gotta restart it.
Hey!
Yeah.
Alright, what did you guys get for it?
98.22.
That's
Okay.
what I got.
Alright.
Do you use the Explorer function on SPSS, Maria?
I did for that.
Okay, because I'm like, the Explorer will tell you a lot of the stuff. Like, it tells you the confidence intervals also.
Yeah.
It's just the fast way.
Yep.
It really comes in handy in the next two homeworks.
The Explorer tool on SPSS?
Yeah.
Wait. It's so similar.
And how do you find S on SPSS?
That's just standard deviation.
Oh, okay.
That's the 0.922. S is just standard deviation of a sample, just like X bar is mean of a sample.
Oh my goodness. This is killing me. This is like talking to a 2-year-old. I was talking with my daughter about dinosaurs today, and they're all T-Rexes. And I'm just like, no, this is a brontosaurus. She's like, T-Rex. I'm like, oh my God. This is how I feel about math. Like, you're telling me, like, no, Maria, this is the mean of a sample. And I'm like, it's a mean.
Yeah, there's a lot of variables to kind of keep track of.
Yeah. Okay, so the T-score then is, let's see.
20.
What?
There's 20. N equals 20.
That's not the T-score, though.
No, N equals 20, though.
Yeah, it does equal 20.
N equals 20?
Just the number of samples. That's not the T-score.
Oh, yeah.
So I got negative 1.843.
I did something wrong.
Yeah, I'm still figuring it out.
Me too.
Back.
Which type test is this? I bet you that's what I did wrong. No, that's a one sample t-test. Why is this program lying to me?
And you said N was 20, right?
Yeah.
What did you
Okay.
get, Grant?
I got negative 1.843.
I got negative 1.845.
Hmm.
You guys just copy and paste it in there?
I'm reading it directly from my Excel sheet.
I did the T-score by the formula.
By the Excel sheet is probably more accurate.
Where does it say it on the Oh. Mine says pound div.
Do you have a division error somewhere in there then?
Yeah.
How do you fix that?
So what's your you don't have anything in your summary statistics, correct?
No.
Okay. And then
So
what's your
put
confidence level say?
Okay.
So what was?
Oh, I got it.
What,
no, it still says it.
I got negative 1.844.
And you just do that using the formula?
Just the formula, yeah.
Okay, because I'm like, when I'm trying the one sample t-test on here, I am not getting the right thing on SPSS.
Let me try. Not because I think you did it wrong, just because.
No, I'm getting like 400 something.
Wait, should I make my confidence interval 95%?
It's always defaulted to 95% unless
Okay.
you changed it.
Yeah, I changed it for that 99. So let me see. And what did you get?
400 something.
Yeah, that's really high.
Yeah, I'm like, that's way wrong. I don't know why it's giving me
No,
that.
it tells me that too.
Yeah.
76.
Oh, we didn't put in a test value. You have to put in the test value. Forgot about that. That's why I missed it on the homework.
Dang it!
Okay, so you put in your variable, and then right underneath the variable, you put in your test value, which in this case is 98.6, because it's just a given.
Let me quickly.
And you get negative 1.843.
Oh, I see. Okay, 98.
That's what I got.
Okay, yeah, that's what I get on this program too.
Negative 1.843. Oh, I put in 844.
Yeah, I just did it with like our numbers from 6 and 7.
Yeah.
So are you putting a 4 at the end of it or a 3 at the end of it?
I did it with our 2 numbers from 6 and 7, and I got a solid 3 at the end.
A solid 3?
I'm going with this with you.
I'll just go with the 3 then.
The p-value, is that what you were talking about?
No, we're talking about the t-score.
Oh, I got, yeah.
Yeah, now I know why I missed 3 questions on this homework assignment, though.
No.
That's okay.
How do you find the p-value again?
Well, it tells you right on this one sample test thing. The one that says sig two-tailed.
Oh, is that the p-value?
But this one's going to be one-tailed, right? So it would be half of that. So what do you get for your p-value?
0.040. Did it want 3? 0.043, sorry.
Hey, Grant, real quick.
You get 0.043?
I get 0.041.
That's what I get.
Yeah. You could round it to 1, I think.
Can I share my
Well, it says 0.0405 is what I would round that to.
0.0405, which would be 0.041.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To 3 places. Yeah, so Maria, what happens is they give us the alternative hypothesis, and in this case it's less than 98.6.
Uh-huh.
So what the one sample test on SPSS gives us is if it was not equal to. So it's giving us the low end and the high end.
Okay.
So if they're asking for less than or greater than, you just take that two-tail and divide it by 2. But if they're asking for not equal to, then the two-tail is your p-value.
Okay. Thanks.
So based on that, we do reject it, right?
Yep.
Right.
Did you guys put down 0.041 or 0.043?
0.041.
Okay. For some reason, my Excel isn't showing the. It still says the division error.
Huh.
I don't know.
It might just be an issue of like copying and paste. So in that, I would, if you put in all those variables, take out the variables and then put in like the mean, the standard deviation that we put, and then the n value. Try that. That makes sense?
It didn't work. I took out the variables and. Oh well. Let's just keep going.
Okay.
We have another chance to do more, right?
Yeah, we have another set of data now. Oh, this one's a significance level of 0.01. I'm going to change that. Okay, let's try this again. I don't think they really changed anything.
I don't think I'm doing this right.
Why? What are you getting for your p-value?
0.
Oh. Did you put in your test value again?
What is it supposed to be? Which number?
It should be 40.
Oh! Okay, yeah, I'm totally doing it wrong, but I can figure it out now. Okay.
If you ever get 0, you don't have your test value in. I have to remember that too.
Okay.
Yeah, because it'll give you a p-value of 0 if you have a test value of 0 in there.
Oh, okay. So then I get the 0.995.
Yep, that's what I got.
Yeah.
And I don't divide it by 2 this time.
No, because it's just saying not equal to.
Right. So we failed to reject, right? Or
yeah, we failed to reject.
okay.
And if you're using less than, your p-value decreases because you're cutting it in half.
Right.
But you'd still fail to reject the null.
Correct.
So that equals 0.5.
Or something. Yeah, basically 0.5.
Okay, so the p-value decreases, and then you still fail to reject because it's 0.5.
Yeah, in this case, it'd have to be lower than 0.01 because they're using the 99% confidence interval.
I think I'm kind of getting this. I feel a little excited.
Yeah, and then 15, they're the same.
Because they're both using the 99% still.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay.
Is that the last one?
Yeah.
Yay.
We get 105%.
105?
I got X credit, guys. I'm joking. I haven't turned it in.
That is not funny. Okay. I'll turn it in.
It's 100.
Yay.
I don't know what you're talking about. I got 105.
You're such a liar.
She just doesn't like you guys as much.
But I can tell you.
It knows that you're like 2 weeks ahead, so it's like, okay, I'll give him.
Just give it extra credit.
Okay, is an A in this class a 93 or 94?
I hope it's 93.
I need to look at this.
I mean, I have a 96 right now.
Stop.
I have a 92.9.
Oh my gosh. You guys,
It is a 93. Yeah, I gotta get up 0.1%.
wait, where did you find that?
I looked at the syllabus.
Oh,
All right, cool. Thanks, guys. We'll plan for Monday at 6:30.
okay.
sounds
Good luck with your proposal and stuff.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Take care.
All right. See ya.
Bye.